Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Herculist video, I'd like to do a short tutorial on the Zone Traffic Exchange and show you how to use it and how you can get Tier 1 traffic, including buyers, by using the Zone Traffic Exchange within the Herculist platform. There are 8 different ways you can advertise within Herculist, and there'll be a link in the description where you can join for free, and they'll also give you a $5 sign-up bonus for joining. There are 3 ways. I'm live in my back office here. There are 3 ways you can access the zone. First is on the top toolbar at the top there. The second one is the toolbar underneath this one here, the zone. And we're going to scroll a bit further down because this is the first one you need to go to get set up with your URL and put your offer in. So this one here where it says the zone is where you first need to go once you've set up your free account or if you're already a member. And what you do is you go into edit the zone and you put your URL into there. I recommend a lead capture page to capture leads or give something away for free. And what you do here is you can just X out of this advert on the right hand side. And what it does, it gives you your settings and your stats. So you put your URL into there. That's your current URL. If you want to change URL, click on there. It gives you your views received. I've earned 16 views today and total views 2,844. And I'm just going to go back to the zone there. Once you put your URL in, it's taking me back to the zone itself. So this is somebody else's offer that's coming up. Let's just go back onto the home page. We're jumping ahead of ourselves just a little bit here. And what's important is, let's X out of the advert. We have to test the URL that we've put in. You can change it at any time. So come back down here on the left hand side to the original one of 3 places and click on test URL. That will open up another window, and as long as your website is seen here, mine's going to load up now because I'm using screen capture video software. It's taking a bit of time to load up. I'm giving away a free tool to help you build it's a list builder, an email list builder. So that's what I'm giving away there. I'm promoting a free list builder. SendSteed is one of the tools from the Leads Leap portfolio of tools. List building, autoresponder, broadcast tracking, forever free. So I like to give something away rather than sell something. And you can also use a lead capture page if you want to capture some leads and get them onto your list, because the Herculist includes tier 1 traffic and buyers. Let's go into the zone itself now and show you how this works. Very, very simple. You can do this while you're watching the television or while you've got your headphones on, listening to some music. And all you do is you click on the zone. So what you do is it's a traffic exchange. So you're exchanging views. So what you do is, if you're a free member, so that's an advert, we're going to continue to the zone. If you're a free member, your time will be a bit longer than 5 seconds. So you wait till the timer goes down, then you get a little notification here saying the next zone site. As a free member, your timer is a little bit longer than mine. I'm a gold member. I started out for free, then I went to pro, then I went to gold. And as a free member, you've got to watch 2 other members' offers to get one of yours seen. But as a pro or a gold, it's a 1-for-1 ratio. And all you do is you just literally click on the next one. Your timer will go down, and then the icon here will tell you when you're ready to watch the next one again. It's a great way to also get ideas of what other people are promoting. You're going to get ideas on other business opportunities. You're going to get ideas on ad copy. You're going to get ideas on what other traffic sites are out there, what other tools you can use to build your online business. So just literally while you're watching the telly or relaxing, listening to some music with your headphones on, you can start getting some free traffic to your own offer. So that's how the zone works. It's very, very beginner friendly. It's very, very simple to do. And we'll go onto the home page here. And if you want any more information, just show you this is quite important. If you want any more information on the other 7 ways that you can advertise within Herculist, then once you set up your free account, you go on to this here. It says new video tutorial, and this is a half-an-hour video, and it explains on Prime, Hercublurb, solo specials, how to use the ad mailer, monster blurb, the traffic packages. It gives you a real detailed overview of how to use Herculist and get the most from the platform without wasting your time and clicking around and trying different things. So I do recommend click the link in the description, set up a free account, claim your $5 bonus, and the first thing is watch this 30-minute video tutorial on how to get the most from your Herculist experience. If you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you'd like to see some more videos of mine, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon for notification of my new videos. I do new content every single week, and there's over 500 videos now on the channel. And if you look at this one here, Hercules Proof, $424 paid out. I'll pin a playlist to the top comment below this video where you can see some more of my Hercules reviews. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.